Okay, so let's start it. So, I always start with one quote for any presentation I give till now, and it's good thing also. Okay, so for this presentation, this is the introduction part one. You can say there will be two parts. Okay, second part I will conduct very soon. So you don't have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. The Martin Luther King. So basically what happened, most of the people are not able to start because they want to see, end results. They want to see each steps, okay, and what are the things coming, on their way. And then only they think, okay, they try to make themselves very secure. And from there they want to, start, they want to take the first step. So uh, this world in this world, it is very difficult to predict anything. Okay, so the first thing is that you should start, you should take the first step, okay, with full of confidence, and believe in yourself that whatever comes in your path, you will find the way to tackle that problem. So uh, with this, let's start. Let's go to our next slide. Okay, so as I told you, this is your introduction part one, and this is webinar uh, for our free 60 days internet training program. So here we will discuss so many things. Now let's start with this. Who am I? Okay, so first I will discuss with that who am I, about me, my story, background, and all these things. So this is I'm going to discuss in this slide. Okay. So before telling, before explaining about myself, first thing I just want to tell you that why I have started this training program, the 60-day, training program. So for this, I have to tell you some of my background. Okay, basically, I have around 10 to 11 years of experience in an IT company. I have worked on different role. Of course, I have started with as a developer. Okay, then I become a functional lead, module lead, and at the end as a project manager. Okay, so basically you can say that I'm an IT guy. Okay, but during the period of my this IT journey, I thought that I should do something for myself. Okay, so for that, with one or two of our colleagues decided, let's do something, okay, for ourselves. So we started one online education platform. We call this as a My Mirror. This is basically for the competitive exam preparation, competitive exam preparation portal. Okay, and this is basically for GATE students. I'm not sure that you are aware about the GATE competitive exam. This is for doing the masters in engineering in any of IITs or some other good reputed institute. Okay, so during this, as I told you that I'm from the IT background, so conceptualizing all the process for developing any portal was not a big deal for me. Understanding the requirement, what requirement we want, what are the features I need for this my portal. Okay, so those things we are very able to conceptualize, and on the basis of those ideas and those features, we also developed one portal also. Okay, so of course with the help of 2 3 friends which are you can say developer, so we developed that portal. Okay, so we worked very hard in developing that e-learning platform, and we were thinking that the day we launch, okay, next day we'll become the millionaire. Okay, so that was, we were thinking about that. Okay, but exactly opposite happens. We launched our site and we are just waiting for someone to come here and join our program and purchase our course, but this has not happened in that manner. Okay, we struggled a lot, nobody was coming, and then at that point of time, we realized that we are lagging behind in the marketing. Okay, so we are not very aggressive in the marketing, or you can say we are not doing much marketing. Okay, so we thought, okay, let's start doing marketing. And we all are from IT background, so we are not much aware about what is this marketing and how we have to do the marketing. So initially we look into the various resources, we speak to the several people, and we figure it out, offline marketing is going to be very costly, because at that time we were as a startup. So, hiring sales people, going to different colleges and doing the workshop and all these things. So this is definitely going to be very costly for us. Okay, so we just drop out that plan. So what then we have decided, okay, let's start with the online kind of thing. We are providing online portal, so let's dig into the online marketing. Okay, so after discussion with my other founder members, it is decided that, okay, I'm going to look into this online marketing stuff. Okay, I'm going to study it. Okay, and I'm going to implement whatever I've studied there to our startup life. So it took time, because in internet there are a lot of informations are there, and sometimes it's become information overload. So everybody is trying to teach you something, and sometimes it is very difficult to which one to follow and which one not to follow. So I struggle a lot to coming at a proper strategy, but hard work pays. I struggle initially, but later I learned a lot of things from myself, of course from others also, which are there and online. And then I started loving this internet market. And it 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 was so it was so give me the passion with respect to the internet marketing, that I thought that whatever the knowledge I have acquired, that should be shared. Okay, that should be shared to other people also, okay, who wants to make a career into the internet marketing, or who are willing to learn about the internet marketing for their business or as a student. So so this was, you can say, and that is why this birth of a Squad Ninja happened. Okay, and uh, this this also, conceptualizing all this idea about Squad Ninja. Okay, this is also, you can say, one of the very important ways, because there are a lot of people who are providing the course, internet marketing or digital marketing, you can say, but I find that these courses are not very much valuable. Anyways, I will discuss into the coming slide.